Duo Monitor Foldable Smart KVM offers an impressive display range, enhancing your productivity with its 16 to 22.8-inch foldable screen. Equipped with dual 4K/2.5K resolution at 144 Hz, this monitor delivers exceptional clarity and smooth visuals for work or play. The Smart KVM functionality allows seamless control of multiple devices, streamlining your workflow without any lag. The Tilt 5 system redefines interactive entertainment by merging augmented reality with tabletop gaming, offering a captivating experience like never before. Designed for both casual players and seasoned gamers, the system enables users to immerse themselves in 3D holograms projected onto a specially designed surface, creating a seamless blend of the physical and digital worlds. The Tilt 5 includes a set of AR glasses, a custom game board, and a collection of compatible games, making it a complete package for anyone looking to elevate their gaming sessions. Striking a balance between futuristic design and practical function, this speaker redefines what a modern audio device should look and sound like. The Gravar Supernova doesn't just play music, it turns any space into a performance stage. Housed in a rugged zinc alloy shell with mechanical accents, it's built for both aesthetics and durability. Measuring approximately 5.9 inches in height, this compact unit fits effortlessly on a desk, nightstand, or picnic table. Cool evenings call for a clean, efficient flame, and the Disco Fire Pit delivers just that. Built for those who crave heat without the mess, this smokeless fire pit blends rugged function with modern design. Crafted from durable stainless steel and grounded by aluminum alloy feet, it's a tough companion for patios, backyards, or remote campsites. The jet engine-inspired profile and strategic air vents generate a mesmerizing vortex effect, making every fire not just warm, but visually captivating. The DJI Mic 2 redefines wireless audio with cutting-edge features tailored for creators seeking reliable, high-quality sound. Equipped with intelligent noise cancellation, this microphone ensures crystal-clear recordings even in the most challenging environments. The advanced 32-bit float internal recording allows for flawless sound capture, providing flexibility in post-production with minimal risk of clipping. Its impressive 820-foot range ensures versatility, offering plenty of freedom for both indoor and outdoor shoots. Styled like elegant jewelry but built with precision audio engineering, these earrings redefine how sound blends with life. Nova's H1 audio earrings bring together craftsmanship and patented directional sound technology in a seamless, non-intrusive way. Rather than blocking your ears, these out-of-ear wearables funnel audio through acoustic chambers built inside real freshwater pearls, aiming sound directly toward your ear without disturbing the space around you. Feel the difference in oral care with advanced microcurrent technology. The Traumat's Microcurrent toothbrush redefines how you clean your teeth, without vibration, without noise, and without damage. Instead of relying on bristles and sonic force, this sleek, lightweight device delivers silent, soothing microcurrents that deeply cleanse the gums and enamel. It's ideal for those with sensitive teeth or gum concerns, providing a calming yet thorough clean you can't get from standard brushes. Transform your fitness routine with the Muscle Railboard, a compact and efficient solution for home workouts. This all-in-one gym setup is designed to provide a comprehensive training experience in a space-saving package. The Muscle Railboard combines the functionality of multiple fitness tools into one sleek device, allowing you to perform a variety of exercises without the need for bulky equipment. Its sturdy frame and adjustable design accommodate a wide range of exercises, from strength training to flexibility routines. Step away from digital fatigue with a spa-inspired solution engineered to restore comfort where it matters most: your eyes. The EyeSpa is not just a massager, it's a fully immersive therapy system tailored to hydrate, energize, and soothe tired eyes in minutes. With instant cooling and heating, your eyes receive immediate relief from strain and puffiness. Fine mist massage introduces moisture gently, combating dryness while enhancing the soothing experience. For professionals and creators seeking refined utility without compromise, the Kukshu X36 Pro Max redefines iPad usability with purpose-built precision. This magnetic charging stand isn't just a holder, it's a stable workstation, a charging hub, and an ergonomic assistant engineered to elevate productivity. Made from CNC machined aluminum alloy, the frame features 7 adjustable joints and supports both horizontal and vertical viewing. Whether you're sketching, editing, or typing, every angle is tailored to support your workflow. The Whipper is a versatile and compact training device designed for athletes and fitness enthusiasts seeking a comprehensive full-body workout. It allows you to simulate a variety of sports movements, including paddling, skiing, rowing, kayaking, canoeing, and swimming. With this single machine, you can engage multiple muscle groups, improve cardiovascular health, and increase strength, all from the comfort of your home. Its space-saving design ensures it fits easily into small areas, making it a perfect addition to any fitness setup. The FineDay 3.0 Aluminum Edition keyboard combines nostalgic design with modern functionality, offering a unique typing experience. With Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, it can pair with up to 3 wireless devices and 1 USB connection, allowing seamless multitasking. You can use both Bluetooth and USB connections simultaneously, managing up to 4 devices at once. The keyboard features an ergonomic 9.22-degree cradling angle, ensuring comfortable typing for long periods without straining your neck. A unique solution for pet oral care, the Orezi stress-free microcurrent toothbrush provides an innovative way to ensure your pet's teeth stay clean without the typical hassle of traditional brushing. By using gentle microcurrent technology, this toothbrush removes plaque up to 6 times more effectively than a standard brush, offering superior cleaning with minimal effort. Unlike conventional tools, it operates without vibration, noise, or irritation, making it ideal for pets who are sensitive or anxious during oral care routines. The Ankerwork S600 combines cutting-edge technology and sleek design to elevate your conferencing and entertainment experience. With its AI-powered Voice Radar 3.5 technology, this Bluetooth speaker ensures optimal voice clarity by isolating target voices while minimizing up to 99% of distractions, including non-target voices. The high-speed NPU chip performs local analysis, providing robust data security without relying on the cloud. Imagine a world where perfect nails are no longer a luxury reserved for salon visits. With this innovative device, you can achieve flawless nails without ever leaving home. It's not science fiction, it's real, and it's called Nimble. This revolutionary tool is the first of its kind, designed to effortlessly paint and dry your nails in just 10 minutes. Nimble uses advanced technology to scan the shape and size of each nail, ensuring the perfect amount of polish is applied every time. Venturing off the beaten path should be exhilarating, not exhausting. Whether you're hiking steep ridgelines, traversing rocky forest trails, or powering through extended excursions, physical strain can limit the full potential of any adventure. That's where the Densy's X1 steps in, not just as an exosuit, but as a seamless extension of your strength and endurance. With a 1.2 horsepower output, this wearable powerhouse brings smooth, secure assistance for every motion. Built for the modern creative, this aluminum keyboard balances striking aesthetics with uncompromising performance. Its sleek, CNC-machined aluminum frame brings a refined industrial touch to any workspace. Beneath the surface, RGB backlighting glows smoothly through each key, fully customizable to suit your environment or mood, whether it's focused work or immersive gaming. The Charge Card by Aquavolt is a revolutionary portable charger that delivers power when you need it most, all while being small enough to fit in your wallet. Measuring just 3.3 by 2.3 by 0.18 inches and weighing only 2.2 ounces, it's the perfect on-the-go solution for keeping your devices powered. With built-in interchangeable charging cables, it's compatible with all major phones, including Apple and Android devices. The JetBot Combo AI stands at the forefront of robotic cleaning innovation, blending advanced technology and user-friendly features to deliver exceptional cleaning performance. With its AI object recognition and 3D obstacle avoidance sensor, the JetBot Combo AI effectively identifies obstacles, ensuring it navigates around furniture, walls, and other objects with precision. This allows the robot to deep clean without damaging your surroundings. Command your gaming domain with precision using the 8-bit Do Ultimate 3-mode controller for Xbox and Jade, a sleek fusion of power and control engineered for serious players. Designed for seamless cross-platform play, this officially licensed controller offers a tri-mode connection. Plug in via USB for Xbox Series X, S, or Xbox One, switch to 2.4 gig wireless for Windows PCs, or go fully mobile with Bluetooth on Android and Apple devices. The Garmin Dashcam offers a seamless blend of compactness and advanced functionality for drivers seeking enhanced safety and convenience on the road. This pocket-sized camera, discreetly mounted on your windshield, continuously records and stores video evidence of incidents, complete with GPS location, date, and time. Its extra-wide 180-degree lens ensures that more of the surroundings are captured, while 1440p HD resolution with Garmin Clarity HDR optics guarantees clear and detailed footage. In your hand lies more than just a tool. It's a studio, a tripod, a stabilizer, and a grip. Multipod transforms the way you capture moments, whether you're hiking rugged trails or shooting in your backyard. Built to be ultra-compact at just 5.5 inches when folded, it easily fits in your pocket or small pouch, yet extends smoothly to over 10 inches for perfect reach and angle. With a single twist, switch between handheld grip, tripod, and selfie stick, no need to carry extra gear. In a world where communication barriers crumble and creativity flows freely, the Monoise PG2 stands as a revolution in your ears. These aren't just earbuds, they're a portable intelligence hub packed into a sleek, ergonomic design. Built with cutting-edge GPT-4o and DeepSeek R1 AI engines, the Monoise PG2 transforms your listening and speaking experience across borders and platforms. When precision meets portability, the result is a tool designed for modern demands. The Zerm. Engineered with an impressive 8,000 RPM motor, this compact, cutting-edge shaver delivers a consistently smooth shave, even against thicker stubble. Its pocket-sized body, weighing just a few ounces, ensures you're always ready for a quick touch-up. Noise is no distraction with Zerm's ultra-quiet 30 decibel performance. The Flarissol. Olivia olive oil sprayer offers a precise and efficient way to manage your oil usage with its advanced fan spray atomizing nozzle. This innovative design delivers an ultra-fine mist that ensures even coverage, allowing you to control the exact amount of oil in your cooking. A single, full stroke dispenses approximately 0.04 ounce of oil, making it easier to follow calorie-conscious recipes without the need for excess fat. The TP-Link X1800 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router offers an advanced internet experience, perfect for households and small offices. Leveraging Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax technology, it delivers faster speeds, greater network capacity, and minimizes congestion compared to older models. With next-gen speeds up to 1.8 gigabits per second, 1,200 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band, and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band, streaming, gaming, and downloading are smooth and uninterrupted. When peak thermal efficiency meets visual sophistication, you get a cooling system that doesn't compromise. The thick Q60 elevates the AIO standard with a 240mm liquid cooling platform crafted for builders who demand performance and aesthetics. Its 5-inch, ultra-slim HD display delivers real-time stats and customizable visual content, surrounded by 42-pixel QRGB LEDs that add precise, programmable lighting to match any build theme. The Airlo Duo EcoAir system revolutionizes climate control with its cutting-edge design and patented technology. Combining both cooling and heating capabilities, it offers a versatile solution to regulate your indoor environment throughout the year. One of the most remarkable features of this system is its ability to reduce cooling bills by up to 80%, making it a cost-effective alternative to traditional split AC units. The Fantic X9 cross paddleboard pump is a versatile, high-performance air pump designed for various outdoor and recreational activities. Capable of reaching up to 75 psi, it offers efficient inflation and deflation for paddleboards, kayaks, tents, and more. The auto-off feature ensures convenience, stopping the pump when the desired pressure is achieved. This reduces the risk of overinflation while providing a smooth and accurate experience. Under a clear night sky or in a dim conference room, this projector redefines portable cinema and presentation tech. With an impressive 1,000 ANSI lumens of brightness, the image stays vivid even as ambient light creeps in. Running Android TV, it gives you direct access to apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video, all without needing another device. A built-in battery offers up to 5 hours of playtime, long enough for a double feature or a full presentation with time to spare. Breath. Mentally Reset in Minutes is a transformative tool for anyone seeking a quick yet effective way to regain balance amidst the pressures of daily life. In just a few minutes, this simple breathing technique offers a reset for the mind, easing stress and sharpening focus. Whether you're facing a hectic day, struggling with anxiety, or simply need to regain clarity, this routine is an accessible solution, requiring no prior experience or costly equipment. Elevate your content creation with UView, a game-changing 4-in-1 tool that turns your smartphone into a professional-grade studio. This versatile device empowers you to capture breathtaking video and perfectly framed shots, all while offering wireless charging and real-time viewing capabilities. Whether you're shooting on the go or setting up for a more elaborate shoot, UView ensures your content is always top-notch.